guys, it's Miss Lee down here in the corner. I'm going to be reading a story on Epic with you today. So I am on today's Google Doc with all of your classwork assignments. It says Tuesday, April 14th at the top. And today I am so excited because we're starting a new unit. We're starting the unit How We Organize Ourselves. And today Miss Salamanca introduced the central idea to you on Flipgrid. And our new central idea is needs and wants impact how people function in a community. So throughout this unit, one of the things we're going to be learning a lot about is needs and wants. So we're going to read a story about that today. So from this Google Doc, go down to box number 6 if you want to read and follow along with me, or you can just watch this video, it's up to you. And number 2 says, read Lily learned about wants and needs. So I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to take me to Epic. Now, if you're already logged on, you won't have to do anything. Your teacher assigned this story to you, but if you get this page, then you need to log on. So don't click Start Reading. See how it wants you to pay and sign up? Don't click that. You just want to click Log In. You're a student, so you're going to click the Student button, and then you're going to log on with your class code, which should already be here, but if it's not, you can go to the Google Doc down to the bottom, and there are all the class codes, so you just find your teacher and your class code to enter. But since my class code is already here, I'm going to click it. Then it's going to show everyone. I'm going to click that I'm a guest student. And it's going to take me right to the story. So we're going to read this story together today. So this is called Lily Learns About Wants and Needs. I can see the author is Lisa Bullard, and it's illustrated by Christine M. Schneider. Chapter 1, Want or Need. Hey, Dad! You want me to watch less TV and play outside more, so I really need this new bike, I said. You might want a new bike, Lily, Dad said, but that's not the same as needing one. A need is something we have to have. Dad thought a moment. We all need to exercise, but you can ride your old bike or do other active things. So, can I buy a skateboard or roller skates? I asked. Dad smiled. Good try, but today let's only spend money on things we need. So her dad wants Lily to exercise more, but does she need a skateboard and new roller skates to exercise, or does she want them? Chapter 2. Buying only what we need. I need a new raincoat, I said. My old one is too small. I like that one. Rainy season is coming soon, Dad said. Let's check it out. Dad looked at the coat and the price tag. This won't keep you very dry, and it costs too much. We'll keep looking. I found another raincoat on sale. Dad let me buy that one. So they have a little question down here for you, and they ask, are the things that cost the most always the best choice? So the coat that she originally wanted was $30, and Dad said it was too expensive. So did she need a more expensive coat? Because Dad also said that this one wouldn't keep her as dry. So he agreed that she needed a raincoat to keep her dry in the rain, but she doesn't necessarily need the most expensive one. Time for your visit to the dentist, said Dad. We're only spending money on things we need, I said, so we don't have to go. My teeth have already fallen out. Dad laughed. Sorry, Lily, you need to see the dentist anyway. Why do you think Dad said that Lily needs to see the dentist? Why is the dentist important? I was good at the dentist, I said. Can we go bowling or play mini golf? Dad shook his head. We have to pay for those, but the park is free. I swung high on the swings. Then I saw the ice cream truck. Dad, I'm hungry. I really need some ice cream. think Lily needs ice cream? Dad said, special treats are okay sometimes, but a treat is a want, not a need. Let's find a healthy snack at the grocery store on our way home. So why do you think that Dad said that special treats are okay sometimes, but a treat is a want and not a need? What do you think about that? Would your mom and dad agree with that? Down here they ask, what is your favorite healthy snack? I'd love to know. Chapter 3. Everyone has to make choices. At the store, Dad took out a shopping list. Deciding about wants and needs isn't just for kids. Our whole family has to do it. Want to help? I looked at the list. Mom always says I need to drink my milk and eat my vegetables, so I guess we have to get them. And we need toilet paper. I took another look. Dad, you wrote root beer in big red letters. Does that mean we need it? Dad looked sad. I love root beer, he said, but it's a want, not a need. We'll skip it today. And it asks down here, what does your family need besides healthful foods and water? So what is something else that you need when you go to the grocery store? Mom works at the hospital. We stopped to pick her up. What are the things that people in the hospital need? Dad asked me. Help from doctors, I said, and medicine. Dad said, that's right. Think hard, Dad said. What does the hospital have that people don't really need but might want? I couldn't really come up with anything. I know, said Mom. The rooms all have TVs. People like to watch them, but people don't need TV to get better. TV makes me feel better, I said, but Dad wants me to ride my old bike instead. Chapter 4. When wants are okay. Dad had an idea as we drove home. Sometimes after people buy all they need, they have money left over. Then they can buy something they want. How about tomorrow we ride our bikes back to the park? We'll buy ice cream. Good idea, Dad, I said, because I know you think ice cream is a want, but my stomach sure thinks it's a need. All right. So this is the end of the story. They have an idea at the end of the book about making a needs and wants poster. We might do that later on, but it's something you can totally do for school. It has you cut out things from magazines and ads from the newspaper and making a poster of things that you need versus things that you want. So we even told you today if you have any grocery store ads in the mail to save them, and on Friday we might do a fun activity like this. The back of this book also has a glossary. Do you remember what a glossary is? You're right, a glossary tells us what different words mean. So they have the word choices, which means different things that you can pick from. Like you can choose between chocolate milk or regular milk when you go through the lunch line at school. Medicine. If you don't know what medicine is, it tells you back here it's something used to cure illness or make sick people feel better. A need is when you must have something to be safe or healthy, or the thing that you must have. And a want is when you wish or would like to have something or the thing that you wish for. All right, so this is the end of the story, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this up and I'm going to go back to my Google Doc, and it tells me that after you read this story, you're going to pick a detail from the story to share on Flipgrid. So after that, come over here and click on the Flipgrid that I've made for you. I've really enjoyed reading this story with you, you guys. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.